Good morning students, I am Randeep Singh. I hope all of you are staying safe. In the previous video lecture we have studied about the basic introduction to logarithmic function. So first of all, revise here the basic expression of logarithmic function. So this is the expression for logarithm of a, and here base must be greater than 0 and log is only defined for positive numbers. This a must be greater than 0 and the answer of that can be any real number, x can be any real number. So that we have studied in the previous video lecture. Today we are going to study the properties of logarithmic function. So first property is log of 1 to any base. Log of 1 to any base is always 0. Log of 1 to any base is always 0. And the next one is log of any number with the same base. With the same base is always 1 is always 1. Log of any number with the same base is always 1. And the next property is product formula. Here we have to find the logarithm of two numbers x and y, and the expression would be equal to log of x with base b plus log of y with base b, and this is known as the product formula. And next one is the quotient formula. Here we have to find the logarithm of two numbers that are divided by each other, and the answer will be equal to log of x with base b minus log of y with base b. And next one is the power formula. Here look at the expression. We have to find the logarithm of x raised to power p, and the answer will be equal to this p comes here in front of log, and it will be equal to log b into x. And the last is the change of base formula. This is very important. The last one is very important. Last one is the change of base. Change of base. Look at here students, if we want to change the base of if we want to change the base of that log, what we will do? If we want to change the base to log e, the answer will be equal to e raised into b. Answer will be equal to log e into b upon log of e into a. This is known as the change of base formula. Now how it is useful, students? Look at this one. All of you know that derivative of log e base x is always equal to 1 by x. Now if we have to find the derivative of d by dx of log with base 9 into x, then it will not be equal to 1 by x, because only with the base e the derivative is equal to 1 by x. Here we will apply the change of base formula. What we will do? We will change the base to e. How can we change? Log e into x upon, okay, I am going to write here. Now look at this. What we will do? We will change the base to log e. Log e into x upon log e into 9. In that way we can change the base, and here dv by dx. This whole expression is under derivative, and now this is constant. This will came out from the derivative. This will came out from the derivative, and it will be equal to and derivative of log e x we all know is always 1 by x. So students, in that way change of base formula is useful. So that's all about the basic properties of logarithmic function, and we are not driving these results because this is not important and this is not part of the syllabus. So in the next video lecture we will study how we can calculate the log of any number using log tables. So that's all for today. I hope all of you have understood it well. Thanks. Have a nice day.